You've seen me try, you've seen me break, you've seen me fight the demons I face. You give me air when I can't breathe, when I can't bear to fight what's coming. You say don't surrender, I never will. I've seen you break, but I've seen.
Hello and welcome back to Create with Chidex. My name is Chidema, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made a cake that looks like a dish of mashed potato and chicken slices. Now let's get right to it. I started by coloring some modeling chocolate, first with sugar flare gel color in egg yellow stroke cream. Then a little bit of cocoa powder. I usually use cocoa powder when I want just a little tint of brown. When I've achieved this creamish color, I'll mold the modeling chocolate into the shape of a chicken breast.
You've seen me weak, you've seen me give till I gave everything. It's always then when I'm collide, when you step in and bring me back. You say
then I'll wrap it in cling film. Before putting it inside the fridge until it hardens. While I'm waiting for the chocolate to harden, I'll color some fondant with cocoa powder. And when I've achieved this light tan color, I'll roll out the fondant. I'm rolling it out very thin as I can get it without tearing the fondant. Next, I'll rub some vegetable fat on the chocolate chicken breast, which had hardened by this time, and cover it with the rolled out fondant. After covering it, I'll trim it down to size. And using a brush with hard bristles, I'll leave some texture on the surface. When I'm done texturizing the surface, I'll burn it with my blowtorch. This will give it that golden yellow roast chicken skin color. And when I'm done, I'll put it in the fridge to harden up again. My chocolate chicken breast has been in the fridge and it's now hard enough, so I'll slice it up just like chicken slices. So I'm using a sharp knife to do this, to give me clean cuts. Next, I'll arrange the slices on a plate. Set it aside and then move on to the cake. To make my mashed potato, I started off with a small piece of cake, which I'm going to carve into a dome shape. Then I'll attach this piece of cake to my plate with buttercream, before covering the surface with buttercream. So I'm using this buttercream as my mashed potato because it's got the perfect texture and color. So I'll keep piling it up and roughening it up as well with my spatula. Here I'm trying to leave a bit of a hole at the middle for the gravy. Now it's time to make my veggies. I'm starting with the carrot, which I'm going to make from orange modeling chocolate. So I'm rolling it into the shape of a carrot. Then I'll use a sharp knife to slice it. Next, I'll use the top of my X-Acto blade to create a circular texture on the top and the bottom of each slice. Now that the modeling chocolate carrots are ready, I'll arrange them on the plate. Next, I'm going to make the peas with some green fondant. But because this green fondant is too bright, I'm going to tone down the brightness a bit with some cocoa powder. When I've achieved this color, I'll start rolling out small balls of the fondant to make the peas.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late.
Then I'll arrange them on the plate as well.
But was too late. We talk about this, can't forget.
For the gravy, I poured some toffee sauce and some golden syrup inside a bowl. Then I mixed both together before microwaving the mixture and pouring it on my cake. Finally, for the black pepper, I sprinkled some crushed Oreos biscuit on top of the cake. And there you have it. Our chicken and mashed potato cake is done. And now I'm going to cut the cake.